and please everything out in the open now, Alice. I didn't like hiding things from you.
You should have told me right from the words go, Paul. It's what the way I found out that makes me so upset.
I know, Alice, and I'm sorry, but things are going to be very different from now. I have got a good feeling about you and me. Do you know that?
I'm glad.
Oh my goodness, is that the time?
What's the matter?
Oh God, Alice, I have got to fly. I'm picking you up from school and I think I'm going to be late.
Are not you going to finish your coffee?
Oh, there's no time. I'm late as it is.
Bye, Paul.
Indian carries.
This is going well, Tim. You have all been really friendly, footy in the park and a cup of tea. In the afternoon, I can believe get all this for only 75 pounds a week.
How much?
25 pounds. I know I list that what you are paying, but I need every discount we can get.
Oh yeah, I knew you got discount. I just did not realize how much of one you went go. No, carries but they own saying if you don't ask, you don't got, so maybe it's time for this. Always want to start negotiating a bit too.
It's nice to be back, but I do miss the excitement of the World Cup. I'm bored.
Oh, thank very much.
I didn't mean you. I just mean it's a bit hard to come back to reality, that is all.
Who say we have to? Why don't we do something to cheer ourselves up?
Like what?
Go to the pub.
No, it's too smoky.
Go to the nightclub.
It's too noisy.
How about going to the cinema?
There's nothing on I really want to see.
We could have a party.
What are we celebrating?
You know, it's almost a year since I came to live here.
Perfect. We will have our first anniversary party.
Okay. Hey! No, that's okay. Thanks for calling. Hope you will find somewhere soon. Bye!
What's that another call about the room?
Yeah, but he was right over the other end of town. He said the commute would be too much.
The last one says that too, didn't he?
I know we are not having much luck here.
What about your guy who came round yesterday?
No! He was really creepy.
I know the one before that was alright. ตอสยังไม่เสร็จตอสคินเอาI know the one before that was alright ตอสคินคัท
He was very respectable but a bit push, I thought.
So what happened to him then?
He said it was too expensive. Do you think we should put the address in the paper for another week?
You have been a guest friend to us or and a great family too. Thank you, guys.
Bye, Michelle, and give my love to Uncle Canimus.
Yeah, I will.
Alice, I think we should leave these two alone.
Oh, Michelle. It seemed like only yesterday I was here in the airport to meet you, and now you are leaving me.
Helen, I have got something to tell you. I really like you, but now. Helen, I have something to tell you. I really like you, but now I'm going back to Poland to look after my dad, but also because I need some space. Do you hate me now?
Of course. Of course. Not you always have a place in my heart.
That's my fight. Goodbye, Helen.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, my love.